Zimbabwe, we are blessed in that we have got a lot of songwriting talent. Obviously, it's annoying when they ask you if you are there when you are clearly there. But, but in terms of writing songs, these guys kill it. For instance, there was Ruvarangu, ndiwe chete, ndiwe mridzi wemoyo wangu. Ndamba kuudzwa akaonekwa aine mbonye yake ikavuma pemoyo. I don't know the words, I just know that was a classical moment in Zimbabwean music. We made a wonderful song that everybody can vibe with. And then we had some confusing moments. We had some strange adventures. Ndinokumirira segonzo. Ndinomirira chingwa chevanhu. Did you just? Rough translation. I will wait for you like the rat, which is waiting for the children's bread. When did this become our role model for romance? The rat? Come on. I mean, it's not like there's a National Geographic special. I can just picture it now, Richard Attenborough, with that British accent, commenting on the romantic attributes of the rat. It's like, and here he comes from beneath the floorboards, the romantic rogue of the rodent world, the rat, known to female rats around the world as Frisky Whiskers. Now, the rat is about to demonstrate one of his most potent mating abilities, which is his patience. If you'll follow him now, he is walking towards the dining room table where the children are having toast and bread. Now, if you'll observe, the rat will be sitting underneath the table and waiting for each crumb. And this attribute has actually been reported as inspiring songwriters around the world, including most notably Zimbabwe, where the rat is a romantic icon.